and this has natural bristers. What's a brisser? Who knows? That's what it has though. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've been gone a long time. I delve into that deeper in another video that's coming up, but let's move on to today's video, which is the Boxy Charm Premium for the month of August. Now, Boxy Charm has stopped sending pamphlets, so I'm going to read you everything that it comes with on the phone, but Boxy Charm Premium is $35 a month on top of the normal Boxy Charm, which is $25 a month. It's at least, I know, I'm terrible. I haven't been on here in months, y'all. Months. So, sorry, I forgot all about Boxy Charm. But it is, I believe, $200 of products, and I'm gonna go over what I got in my box this month. Now, what I normally do for my videos is I will show you guys the products, tell you how much they are, tell you about the products, you know, in the description that they give you, and then I try everything on that I can try on, and then at the very end I tell you what I think of them. It's like a mini review. It's not a full-blown review because I think for a full-blown review I have to use things for about a month, but it's a mini review from what I thought for the first time trying some things, so you guys can see my thoughts and opinions on all of them, and leave your own thoughts and opinions in the comments below if you agree or disagree. They send you, you know, a virtual pamphlet. So this month's theme is glamping, and oh my gosh, this is so tiny. How I can't. So the first thing is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. I actually got this in a past box. I can't remember if it was Boxycharm or Ipsy. This is $65, and this is supposed to deeply hydrate, visibly brighten, and provide advanced antioxidant support. So it helps repair the signs of premature aging, which is great for me because I am a grandma influencer now. I'm old. The next is Ciate London New England Editor Palette, and this is $32, and this has metallics, glitters, and mattes, glitters, for an effortlessly hazy eye look. I did create this entire eye look with this palette, and here are the colors. Sorry, my daughter is being extremely loud. Oh my goodness. So I used all the sultry darker colors because I got this lipstick from MAC in the box, and this is Barbie pink, so I tried to match it as best as possible. How'd I do? The next is Dermelect Cosmeceuticals Extra Lash XL Lash. There's going to be so many cutscenes in this because I don't know how to talk. Dermelect Cosmeceuticals XL Lash Volumizer Eyelash Booster Formula. I said it all in one go. Oh my god, I'm amazing. So this is something, apparently you can put it on your brows too, and your lashes, and thin and brittle no more, as you can transform them to appear naturally thicker, fuller, and stronger. So I did use this. This is one of the things I did use, and it is like a mascara wand, so that was kind of cool. But I don't know if you're supposed to use it continuously or if it automatically makes it look thicker and voluminous, but I didn't see that for my look today. And this is, oh my goodness, this is $49. Wow. Next is MAC Cosmetics Satin Lipstick. This is $19, and this is in the color Snob. This lipstick name matches this lipstick color perfectly. Not quite my tone, but I love the lipstick formula. Next is Tarte Lights Camera Splashes Waterproof Mascara. This is $23, and I did use this on camera so you guys can see. And the last thing was Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush. Natural bristles and massaging rubber nodules, and this combines the vigorous texture to remove dead skin cells with the stimulation of the nodules to increase blood flow and circulation, and it removes old dry skin, leaving us feeling glowy and soft. So I will be using this tonight because I love these things. This is also good for dry brushing your skin, which is just brushing it not wet. I swear I haven't started drinking yet. Just this. Oh, I forgot. I normally do box total. So here's the box total. Because you guys are probably interested in that. Now, here we go. Let's try all this on. So I actually got this before in a previous beauty box. So I'm just going to use my older one. This smells like oranges. It smells delicious. It is a thicker moisturizer, but it does easily absorb into your skin. And if you just sit for a minute, the tackiness goes away. But it's beautiful. I haven't actually used it that often. I have some older ones that I'm still trying to get through, so I can't really tell you guys what I think about it, but it is a very thick moisturizer. If you have been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know I don't have eyebrows on the ends. I actually pluck the ends so I can lift the ends of my eyes up, because otherwise my eyebrows will drag my eyes way down here. So this says that you can actually use it on your brows. It is a mascara type wand, so I could probably use it up here in these brows, but when it comes to the ones over here, there's nothing there to put them through. So I think with this lipstick, which by the way is the worst color on me ever, these pinky tones just look absolutely terrible on me. I am going to do the blues and mauves in this palette. So there isn't that many transition shades, but I think I'm going to go in with that dark brown and that peachy one. So it's going to be an interesting look. Let's see how it turns out. Right now, I am going to try this mascara. Oh, this is so cute. Tarte always has the cutest packaging. Look at this. It's purple, glittery. Now, waterproof is absolutely perfect. That's not in focus. For summer. I know my makeup basically melts off, so if this is waterproof, then I will probably wear this for the remainder of the summer because I actually don't have a waterproof mascara at this moment. So here's what the brush looks like. It's pretty straight with little stiff tiny bristles. I don't think this is going to add a lot of curl to your lashes, but we will see. And I did add that stuff before I even put this on, so I don't know if that actually makes a difference with application. It doesn't seem to add a lot of thickness or length, but it is separating them nicely. There isn't any clumps, so that's good. It's definitely not curling them or adding a lot of thickness. So you can see here, if I look straight, there isn't a lot of thickness or curl or volume. They're very natural. They're very separated looking, which is nice, but they aren't very long. I guess this is good for summer because you really don't want a lot of makeup on during summer anyways, especially if you're going out and about and you're like walking around outside a lot. So I guess this would be good for that, but I probably won't be wearing this a lot unless I'm doing something specifically for outdoorsy type stuff. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and add this eye real quick, and then I'll come back to let you know what I thought of everything. So here is the look that I created with everything. So let's do a quick recap. This I absolutely cannot wait to use. I'm so excited. I love exfoliating brushes like this, especially since I'm 180 years old and my skin is super wrinkly and cellulite-y, especially on my legs. I feel like this will help. This is something that I really enjoyed in this month's box, so super excited about this. How many times have I said excited? Well, okay, so the mascara, you guys know my thoughts on the mascara. It's kind of puny and, you know, it's good for a natural look. Very good for a natural look, which I think is what I'm going to be wearing them with, especially if I'm out and about in 95-degree heat. So waterproofing is a definite there. So you know, it's so that's that. Dermelect Cosmeceuticals. That took like 5 tries. I'm excited to see this and see how this ends up working, because if this can't grow hair in spots that my hair doesn't already grow from my eyebrows, but if this helps my lashes grow, super excited about that. Do you guys want a video in like 30 days to see how this worked? I could totally do that. If you guys want, let me know below. This is a ton of moisturizer. It's very thick, but I feel like if I were to use this, you know, for an extended period of time, maybe I could see some skin brightening. I can't say exactly how I feel about skincare if I haven't used it for a long amount of time, so I like this brand. I know that they are targeted towards certain skin types for each product, so this one is for brightening. When I finish with my current moisturizer, I'll get back into this and I will see if, you know, my skin looks glowier and brighter and more youthful, because it also says it's for fine lines and wrinkles. So the lipstick is not my color. I absolutely never wear this color lipstick. This is kind of like a Barbie pastel pink, and it makes my teeth look super yellow and gross. So this is not my color, but the formula is lovely. It went on really nice and smooth. It was super opaque. It's still like slippy. It's got a little bit of a shine. It does transfer. I've already drank my Red Bull and everything, and it's transferred all over that. So it does transfer, but most creamier lipsticks tend to transfer. So I love the formula. I love the way it smelled. I love the way it applied. It's just not my color. If this was more of a warmer toned nude, it would be delicious. So I'm going to say no for the color, but yes for the lipstick. And the last thing is the Ciate London palette. Y'all, I'm sorry, I had the absolute hardest time trying to create this look. This took so long to blend. The pigments were, you know, like the mattes, they built up nicely and they blended out nicely, but this took so long to do. The shimmers are very lackluster. There's nothing special about the shimmer formula at all. There is a couple in here that are a little bit nicer. Like, I really enjoyed this one right here. I don't know this name. But like, this shimmer is really beautiful, but some of them, not all of them, some of them went on just very lackluster. They didn't have all the shine that I'm expecting in a shimmer. Now there is, it looks like a few satin shades, and those ones I'm not expecting to be super shimmery. Like this one right here is a satin shade. So this one won't be super shimmery, and it just has a slight sheen to it. But the other ones that are clearly shimmers aren't really shimmery. So the color story is nice if you're into neutrals. I really like a lot more color. Actually, I did thoroughly enjoy this blue. It's really like vibrant and rich. This one was actually really beautiful, and it's very opaque. But if it was a little bit more shimmery, I think I would have liked it a lot more. But anyways, it's It's okay. It's a mediocre palette for me. It's not my best palette I own by far. It's not the worst palette though either. So it's meh. But yep, that is all I have in my box. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month. Let me know if you guys enjoyed things more or if you guys don't like something that I liked. I would love to hear it all. But also, don't forget, I have a referral code in the description. If you guys are interested in Boxycharm and you don't have it yet, there is a wait list for this Boxy Premium. I think I was on the wait list for a couple months before I got put on it. But it is a really nice box. I mean, sometimes you get good things, sometimes you get bad things. Either way, it's a nice investment to start adding to your collection if you don't have a lot of stuff, or if you just love makeup, and it's like Christmas every month. But that's all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I can't talk today. I give up. I need wine. I can't take my I can't. I'm sweating. I can't take myself seriously right now. This Dermelect oh geez, that's Dermelect This is also good for dry brushing your skin, which is just brushing it not wet.